Hi, everybody. Another cool day. What a cool start to November, right? We have opened up. If you haven't seen the sun at your place, our live camera network does show some decent sun. There's Domain Serene Winery. Sun River has been really beautiful over in Central Oregon. They still have, all that snow on the ground. You can see it right there, but they're getting partly cloudy skies. And really, you go out to the Oregon Garden Resort in Silverton. They're starting to set up for their Christmas village and their light show that they have at the Oregon Garden Resort. If you've never been, it's really a nice time. Highly recommend doing that if you've never done it. And they're opening up partly cloudy skies as you look from Silverton. Radar is still showing some scattered showers out there. The scattered shower chance on this Wednesday will, I think, quickly start to end as we go into the evening hours. I do want to show you something. Satellite. Okay. Again, this is my weather site, portlandweather.com. Hope you bookmark it and use it. There are the showers that are still showing up right now, moving across the area. I want to get into a wider satellite view. Let's see which one looks the best. Well, this doesn't look too bad. Let's do this. Okay. This has the surface map on it from the University of Washington. So, here we are. We have the shower chance ending tonight. And then, unless we get some fog with drizzle tomorrow morning, we'll be dry until late day or maybe dry until early evening. But see the red line right there? That's a warm front with this first ball of clouds. This ball of clouds is what starts to come in and bring us a return to rain late tomorrow afternoon or during the evening hours. And see this fetch of moisture back here? This is going to be rushing in with this. So this is going to turn into a pretty solid moisture flow. We have the rain picking up at the warm front tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, rain at times Friday. And then this front comes in first thing early Saturday morning. And forecast models love the fact that Friday night we're going to get really, really wet. And I do want to show you that. So here's an image on my Portland Weather Facebook page. I hope you can bookmark this as well. And it's a great venue. You can ask me questions and I'll get back to you if you have a weather question about anything. So this is a forecast, futurecast map from KGW TV that we use. It's one of many weather models. These were huge precipitation totals counting every raindrop that falls today through noon on Saturday. Often these weather models are overdone, but I will tell you, every piece of weather information gives us hours of steady, solid rain Friday evening, Friday overnight, to early Saturday morning. So your Friday evening, overnight, early Saturday morning plan's a total washout. We could pick up, get this, just Friday evening into early Saturday morning, 1.5 inches of rain in Portland. So much of this, if this would come true, 2.49, it may be too high, but 1.5 inches of that just comes Friday evening, Friday overnight. And look at how widespread these heavy rain rates are going to be. Again, maybe these numbers are a little bit too high, but could there be 2 inches of rain at the coast Friday evening overnight? Absolutely. 1.5 inches maybe in Portland. The snow level with that warm front that comes in tomorrow night, and then by the time we get into late Friday night, that's a snow level of 8,000 feet. So this is inches of rain falling over the Cascade Passes and also up at places like Timberline Lodge. So I wanted to point that out. So real quick, here's a 7-day. A big thank you to Hazeldale Tire Pros. These are great people. It's locally owned for all of your tire needs, especially if you're up in Clark County. They're on Highway 99. Really nice people. Really, really nice people. Anyway, my 7-day forecast. So good chance of being dry tomorrow, minus any early morning mist. Otherwise, we'll look for rain maybe 5 o'clock or not until the evening. Rain times Friday. Winds pick up during the day Friday, and by Friday evening, we could have southwesterlies 15 to 30 miles per hour. Then you have that drenching, absolute rain out of a night, Friday night and early Saturday morning. The front comes through like maybe by 7, and then we break it into showers or occasional heavy showers coming through during the day. Temperatures Saturday are going to be steady to falling. It could be 53 when you wake up and then lower to 47 during the day. And then we get into, there's a big upper level low that starts to drop in on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So look at these. This is a number of days again, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, with highs only in the 40s. Enough cloud cover, I think, to keep us upper 30s to about 40 at night, and occasional shots of rain where each day potentially has about 1/4 inch of total moisture with it. So that's the big thing I wanted to warn you about, was that next big shot of heavy rain coming in Friday evening, Friday night, Saturday morning. And with that, thanks for using my weather site. Don't forget, you can search Portland Weather in the App Store. We're getting ready to redesign, or actually we've begun the work, to redesign and modernize my app both for Android and iPhone. So I'm really excited to hopefully get that project done maybe by the end of the year. And I will talk to you soon.